I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up on Twoo. For that, first of all, open up your Twoo app on your phone. After you open up your app, on your left hand side there you can see a sign up option. Tap on it. You can either sign up with your Facebook or with your email. For now, I'm going to sign up with my email. Firstly, enter your email address. After you have entered your email address, create a password and then tap on sign up. Select your gender, select why do you want to create account, and select whom you want to meet. After you are done, tap on next. You'll have to now enter your first name, select your date of birth. After that, choose the city you live in. If you want to add your photo, tap on add your photo and you can either upload your photo or you can take a photo. Tap on the small square box if you do not wish to receive marketing communication about Twoo products and services. After you are done, tap on finish. This way you can sign up on Twoo. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.